Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use butter lettuce. First, always gently wash and thoroughly dry the leaves. This tender, mild-flavored lettuce is perfect for many dishes. Its soft texture means it needs careful handling. You can store unwashed leaves in a loose plastic bag in your refrigerator's crisper drawer for up to 5 days, ensuring they stay crisp and fresh for your next meal. Butter lettuce is incredibly versatile in the kitchen. Its large, pliable leaves make excellent low-carb wraps for tacos, chicken salad, or even burgers. You can also layer it into sandwiches for a delightful crunch and mild flavor. When making salads, simply tear the leaves into bite-sized pieces. It pairs beautifully with a wide range of dressings, from a zesty lemon vinaigrette to a rich, creamy ranch. Beyond its versatility, butter lettuce offers a great nutritional profile. It's a good source of essential vitamins, including vitamin A and vitamin K, supporting overall health. A typical serving contains only about 10 calories, making it a light and healthy addition to any meal. Its mild, slightly sweet flavor pairs wonderfully with ingredients like fresh berries, toasted pecans, or a tangy goat cheese, enhancing many dishes. To maximize the freshness of your butter lettuce, proper storage is key. Always store unwashed leaves in a loose plastic bag within your refrigerator's crisper drawer. Washing it too early can accelerate spoilage, so wait until just before you're ready to use it. For optimal taste and texture, aim to consume your lettuce within 3 to 5 days of purchasing. Also, keep it separate from ethylene-producing fruits to prevent premature wilting.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.